Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Easter setup that I put together for the kids in my neighborhood, just trying to, give them a little bit of normalcy and cheer them up through these difficult times. And I also hope they will give you guys some type of idea in where you can do something similar to cheer up or to, just help out your neighborhood or a family member, or just someone who needs it through these difficult times. Enjoy. Over 20 families showed up today, and that made me feel absolutely amazing. They think that I'm helping them, but to tell you the truth, this is actually helping me tremendously as well. It made me feel amazing. It made me feel like I was doing something with my time, and just something good for someone. Helping always helps. Let me know in the comments below if you're thinking of doing something similar for a different occasion, maybe prom or graduation, or for anyone that's down and out right now. The Easter Bunny has arrived. My Easter Bunny has competition. You must take a picture in the backdrop.
Of course. Here, let's go take a picture in the backdrop, all right?
Oh, this is awesome. I love it.
It looks so cute. Are you guys little bunnies?
Yes. When touching.
All right, look here. Look at Miss Katie. Look at Miss Katie.
Jen, you're in my shot.
Oh, sorry.
So cute.
Happy Easter.
I got it.
Say Happy Easter.
Nice to meet you as well. Are you guys taking pictures?
Yes, I think we have at like 12:30, I think.
Oh, okay.
Something like that.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, for sure. Another satisfied family. Yay. All right. Waiting for the next one.
Okay, hold up. I don't know what the.
Go ahead. No, go ahead. You take your own pictures.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just taking pictures for myself.
Oh, perfect.
Thanks for stopping by. Happy Easter. All right, guys. Until next time. Oh, and next time I will have a project. So stay tuned for that. Bye.